This specific nurturing model has made the top of the market truly reach, and you can apply it in any social media platform such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and etc. And today I'm going to give you the opportunity to try this and see the results. I will share my template with you as well. Warning! It's not a complete system. For full implementation, I offer a 30-day program where we build a true love personal brand that includes personality unboxing, identifying your brand energy archetypes, finding your niche and message with strategic approach. Now I just want to demonstrate how quickly you can achieve results with a few stories to inspire you to earn more and go deeper into personal brand. So let's start. Most people start their pitch using pain points. However, when you consistently talk about pains, you attract victims who enjoy listening to problems. If you want really cool clients and enjoy working with them, use triggers. Now think, what triggered you in your niche recently? Perhaps someone's results or the ease of doing it. Alternatively, you can tap into any emotions that makes you crazy, excited, or annoyed. When you talk about yourself, it sounds more natural than saying stop doing this or do this. I know that many marketers recommend focusing on pains and customers. However, now everyone is using it and it sounds like a cliche. It has become information noise. That's why I'm introducing a fresh approach with True Love brand. In case of triggers, you may use this insight. If you ever feel envy or triggered, it means that you can achieve the same results. We don't envy something we don't desire or can't imagine having ourselves. For example, Elon Musk may not trigger you, but he can trigger people from Forbes as they aspire to have the same. So at this step, people have emotions and they believe that they can achieve the results you've told them. Isn't it better than saying you can make $10,000 this month, why haven't you started yet? Feel it? It's another approach. Instead of making them feel pain and pushing them to act, you attract, inspire, and change their mindset. At this point, you need to provide them with a solution. They are ready. Offer your way to fix or achieve it. You will attract right people if you have specific message. Start with positioning. Just think about the ways to achieve it and choose one. You need to imagine what people think when they are listening to you now. Use just one objections and stay focused. When you give them a list of problems, you sound less specific and it conveys less. So now it's time for a call to action, the simplest part. If you want to learn how you can achieve these results in a week, DM me plus and I will tell you how exactly. Just say it. When you close them on a call or send a guide or whatever you use. Take screenshots of people sending you messages, create hype and react. I knew that I have such a cool audience who are ready to take real actions. You need to show that others have already reacted and their psychology will create FOMO effect. They will feel that they missed something really important and come back to react. Do you feel the difference? No pain. Be proud of your people, respect them, build relationships. You can learn how. Find the link below for the True Love Personal Brand Program. And don't forget about nice design, keep the text brief, focus on photos and variety formats, record yourself speaking, post nice photos or bureaus. Don't forget to add text, not everybody watches with sound. Also, I prepared the best template for you to use and test how it works. Grab it below. I will be happy to hear about your results in the comments and feel free to recommend this video to your friends.